Hi, this is Dr. Craig Schadow coming to you with timely health topics in 5 minutes. The topics today include: can optimism boost your immune system? Can vitamin D help me? How much do I need? And how do I get it? And can you imagine seeing acupuncture done at your dentist's office? Now, there's been a lot of discussion on the power of positive thinking and how it affects your body's ability to heal and manage various disease processes. Dr. Bernie Siegel, the so-called love doctor, did many studies with how positive emotions affected people that had cancer in terms of the quality of their life and their response to chemotherapy. There was a recent study done at the University of Louisville with law students. They were questioned about how optimistic they were about law school. And at the same time they were questioned, they were injected with a small amount of material to evoke an immune response, basically a reddened area on their skin that was measurable. And they found in this study that at more optimistic times, as determined by questionnaire, the immune response was more robust. The conclusion of this study was that optimism may boost your immune response to common illness or chronic disease. Vitamin D has become the it vitamin at this point. For a long time, it took a back seat to the other vitamins and minerals, but recent research shows us that vitamin D is more important than ever before determined. Various benefits of vitamin D, including it being essential to strong bones, and inadequate levels can lead to osteoporosis. Now, frank deficiencies of vitamin D actually leads to rickets, which is a skeletal deformation, which is not much of a problem in the Western world at this point, but used to be in the beginning of the century. Recent research shows that vitamin D can reduce the risk of many other diseases as well. It also may benefit muscle strength and balance, which helps senior citizens stay stable and prevent them from falling. Additionally, current studies show that vitamin D offers protection from numerous types of cancer. Deficiency may lead to muscle pain and weakness, which leads to the ideas that perhaps it may be involved in chronic fatigue syndrome or fibromyalgia. Additionally, vitamin D offers protection from autoimmune diseases such as diabetes, multiple sclerosis, and rheumatoid arthritis. And new research now shows that vitamin D may be implicated in cardiovascular health with the health of your blood vessels and your heart. So how much vitamin D do I need? Recommendations vary quite a bit, but currently 800 international units to 1,000 international units is likely to benefit most adults. Many multivitamins contain vitamin D. It usually comes coupled with calcium supplements, and it comes as a standalone vitamin as well. Your body also produces vitamin D when it's exposed to the sun, and after all the discussion about never letting a ray of sun touch your skin, it is now being determined that moderate sun exposure may be recommended for appropriate vitamin D synthesis. Does that mean that you should lay out in the sun for 2 or 3 hours in the midday? No, but 15 or 20 or 25 minutes of sun to your skin, particularly in the northern climates, is probably appropriate for continued vitamin D maintenance. Acupuncture at your dentist's office. Many dental patients are extremely fearful and anxious. The word for that is odontophobia. A small study was done of some of these moderate to extremely anxious patients, and an anxiety questionnaire was given before and after acupuncture treatment, which was delivered by the dentists who were trained in using acupuncture in dentistry. The anxiety scores fell by over 50%, allowing all of the patients that received acupuncture to undergo the planned treatment, while a proportion of those that didn't actually were unable to undergo the recommended care. This tells us that acupuncture may offer a simple and inexpensive method of treatment for anxious dental patients. So what are the take-home points? Think positively, stay well, and feel better. Make sure vitamin D levels are adequate to lower your risk of a host of ailments. And if going to the dentist bothers you, maybe acupuncture can help. This has been Timely Health Topics in 5 minutes. I'm Dr. Craig Schadow. Feel free to visit my website at www.shadowchiro.com. Thanks for watching.